this bad boy in focus. That looks about right. What is cracking, family? It is 11:30 p.m. in the UK right now. Basically, I kind of messed up, to be honest with you. I came back from work. I was meant to get this video out early, but I got sucked into the start of the Premier League season. Man United played today. They won, which is good. And then I realised I have to announce the winners to the giveaway. So 2 weeks ago, I launched a massive giveaway. 3 prizes to mark the year anniversary of our speed rope, the money rope, and yeah, incredible response, guys. I had maybe 600, I think it was about 590 entries, and we've picked 3 winners. So the first prize was, of course, winning a £50 voucher to my website. The second prize was to be the first in the world to get hold of the Phantom Black hoodie. This is our new zip line hoodie concept, really epic hoodie. And the third prize was a one-to-one coaching session with myself, especially for those who are in the UK area, maybe around London. And we have picked 3 winners, and I want you guys to basically forward this video, go to this timestamp if you're eager to find out if you're one of the winners. Otherwise, stay tuned, because I've got a few announcements, and there's so much happening right now with the business, with the brand, with just everything in general, that I want to get as much information out there to you so I can get you guys involved, and yeah, you're gonna find out everything. So let's get straight into this. I want to keep it as short, sharp, raw as possible. I don't want this to go on for too long. And yeah, we need to get this out tonight. Right, so quick announcement on the Jump Nation tour. So you guys know that our UK crew absolutely ripped it up. And now I'm gonna be in the USA. So I'm actually touching down in LA in about 10 days time. August the 23rd, guys, it's gonna all go down in the Venice Beach area. Please, please, please try and come down if you're from that region. But we're actually gonna now meet up at 12:30. I'm gonna be there from about 12:30, 1 o'clock, just after midday at this location. So I'm gonna maybe put it up on the screen. Basically, it's gonna be the entrance to the Venice Beach Boardwalk. Venice Boardwalk Beach, you know the one. If you're from that area, you know. But I'm going to be specifically standing outside the Surfside Bar restaurant, and I just want to see you guys. I think it's the entrance to the Muscle Beach area, so I've been told. So that's going to be the LA meetup. That's August the 23rd, and then a couple of days time, or a couple of days after that, I'm going to fly straight over to New York City, and we're going to do the meetup in Central Park on the Saturday, August the 25th, and that's going to go down at there's a fountain called the Bethesda. I can never say this, but I'm gonna put it up on the screen, so I'm gonna get it on Google Maps or something. But that's where we're gonna meet. We'll meet at this epic fountain. Thanks to everyone who has kind of commented on my recent Instagram post to help me find these locations and give me these ideas. Ultimately, I just want to meet as many of you as possible, so hopefully it is close to where you are. You can get there easily, you can park, you can, yeah, it's just accessible. Right, so that's the meetup's done. Where are we up to? A second announcement now. Second announcement really is just our next launch. I want to kind of bring you guys involved in what's going on. Obviously, we've got these new hoodies coming out. That's going to be around September, late September time. We've got a restock on our jump rope mats, which have sold out for a number of months now. They went really quick. And then I'm also bringing out our snapback concept. So I don't know what you guys think of this. I don't normally wear hats, but the demand for these have been quite high. So this is my first sample. We've got the Pulse Line logo on the front. We've got the epic slogan. This is going to be just known around the globe in, I can imagine, a matter of months as well now. And then you just got this snapback function, so one size fits all kind of thing, or multiple sizes. You get the drift. I think this is quite a cool cap. I'm going to start to wear it more often. I'm going to try and get into the cap thing, but yeah, with this hair, like, it gets a bit difficult. Anyway, right, third announcement. We have launched the Legacy rope on Amazon USA and Amazon Canada. And it's soon to be coming to Amazon Europe. Amazon Australia, Amazon India and Mexico are next on my hit list. And to my Indian crew out there, I know you guys have been waiting for these ropes for a number of months now. Amazon India is a little bit of a sticky one. We're close to finalizing everything there. So to my Indian crew out there, we are gonna make it happen, and you're gonna be obviously the first to know when it does. So this beast of a heavy rope has been absolutely nailing Amazon USA and Canada. Like, the first few days have been absolutely fire. So thank you to everyone who's got involved and copped that rope. I'm gobsmacked literally every single day when I hear like just how well these ropes are doing around the globe, how many people are getting benefits from them. It's changing lives, guys, and I'm so overwhelmed and so humbled, and I want to thank you. I'm super stoked, guys. Like, you don't understand, like, every single day when I wake up, I have just such a spring in my step. I have such a buzz. I have such a positive feeling running through my body, because every day I'm excited to read my emails. I'm excited to see kind of your comments, your feedback. I'm excited to see your videos, everyone on Instagram nailing it. It's all popping off. The brand is popping off, the community is popping off. I'm just mega lost for words, honestly. So, all right, cool. I think that's the announcements done. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, short, sharp video. Right, so we're gonna announce the 3 winners right now. Be sure if you're one of the names that you see right there, if that is you, just make sure you email me straight away to claim your prize. And again, listen, thanks for everyone who got involved. And yeah, I guess we just have to close out the video as we always do. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.
I can't do this on my own. It's to me and Team Thoreau, yeah. Holding down Colorado, staying true to 303, yeah. I hope one day Drake see me, yeah. Summer dropping my EP, and still